BORN are an end-to-end digital agency that helps support e-commerce customers with their digital transformation, digital experience, content and UX. So we work globally across many different industries, be it B2B, B2C. We have specific, expertise in industries such as automotive, telco, manufacturing, but generally we're pretty technology and industry agnostic. We work globally with a lot of partners, market-leading partners like yourselves, to ensure that the clients that we work with have a well-rounded project and they essentially get the results of the digital transformation project that they're looking for. A lot of our expertise come from the architects that work within BORN. We've got a great expertise and a great wide range of knowledge throughout the company, which is only enhanced by Tech Mahindra as well, our parent company. It means that we can utilise their resources as well. So we're not just focused on the tech and the architects that we have in Europe. We now have a lot of offshore architects as well to be able to provide solutions and resources through different time zones at different times to essentially suit any of our clients' needs. It's important, I think, to mention that we support throughout the end-to-end journey as well. So everything from strategic planning all the way through to the build and then through to the launch as well. So supporting the customer throughout that journey to ensure that digital transformation project is successful and they get the required results they want in terms of increased revenue, increased conversion rates and that type of thing.
Most recently, BORN and Amplience have worked on a project with a company called Fiorucci, a high-end fashion brand. The project lasted about 6 months. We introduced an accelerator that BORN has produced called Arctic Fox, which was designed to work with Salesforce Composable and in particular Amplience, bringing down the cost of development and obviously speeding up time to market. So what that meant for Fiorucci was they got a lot of benefits out of the box, obviously working together. And at the same time, we were working closely with your technical team to get the project scoped out, get it ready, get it delivered well. The results for Fiorucci are very much around improved workflow, being able to get content managed much faster, more efficiently throughout their team, multi-site from England and Italy, and manage their media much more successfully.
So BORN works with select partners very much on a strategic basis. Amplience are very much one of those on a global perspective. We tend to work with market-leading technologies that can really provide value to our clients. And Amplience, from a content perspective, is really doing that. As you can see in the recent project that we had with Fiorucci, the results from that, from what the client can see, are second to none, essentially. So the way that we work with Amplience is very much on a collaborative basis. We look at doing joint go-to-market strategies, whether it be joint events, whether we look at sponsoring things, whether we do webinars, essentially detailing the value of working with Amplience and BORN to ensure that those customers get that digital experience they're looking for. Additionally to that, the alignment between the two companies and the way that we work, the whole BORN perspective being that digital agency looking to do those transformation projects or even just the discovery type projects, understanding the client's needs, we can then utilize our partner network and especially you guys when it comes to that content perspective. If we hear anything in that discovery phase where the clients are struggling with CMS or they're looking for some new AI generated content, things like that, that makes it very easy for us to reach out to you guys specifically and bring you into that conversation. And, I'll refer back to the Fiorucci project where that collaboration between our delivery teams, your delivery teams was seamless. The project went out and it was on time, on budget, and it was just an overall great project and a fantastic use case for us going forward. So yeah, overall I would say it's through collaborative approach, joint targeting of accounts, and also looking to combine on industry activities. So I think there are a few to start with. I mean, obviously the customer journey starts when they come to us, right? And they're looking at maybe trying to improve the general content management of their website or their e-commerce presence. They're looking to improve the workflows. They're looking to generate more revenue through that content creation. So the customers will come to us with this problem. And as I've mentioned previously, we'll do that strategic planning with them. And we'll lay out a roadmap for how we feel like they can get to their goals of those, those ultimate business goals that they're looking for. And so that's when we've provided with a great opportunity to reach out to Amplience, especially from a content flow and content management and workflow perspective. The solution that you guys provide just means that our customers then can utilize that content through we can provide the integration services and everything like that, but through working with the Amplience team, it means our customers get a clear vision of exactly what their process is going to look like going forward once the content's all been created, once the workflows have been managed. And ultimately that means that Amplience and BORN working together can provide a solution to that that older legacy platform that they're using and utilize this more headless and composable approach through the great workflows that you guys offer, that content experience and the content management that really is second to none within the market. I think first of all, it's important to say that we love working with Amplience from a partnership perspective. There's been, very recently, specifically, there's been a really good project that we've worked on, and I think that just provides the springboard for further growth and collaboration going forward. I think a few things we've got in the pipeline, or what we'll be looking to do, will be sort of some more alignment from a sales and executive perspective, and also some co-integration stuff where we look to build on the Arctic Fox accelerator that we've already got. We'll be looking to build out some more packaged services that will then enable us to collaborate a lot more on additional projects going forward. Expansion into new markets is also something that we'll be looking to do through co-marketing, whether it be co-marketing events or just general global marketing activities that we'll be looking to do with you guys. We'll be looking to strengthen the AI and the composable journey as well. So within BORN, obviously that composable side of things is really a strong point of ours, or a strong focus point. And obviously with Amplience, we know that's the case as well. AI, of course, it's a massive buzzword at the moment, so we'll be looking to utilize that. So we'll also be looking to further solidify our leadership position within the commerce industry. We'll look to do that through strategies such as joint research projects, as well as looking at joint tech development that will obviously further enhance our position within the market. The partnership's growing success is built and maintained on ongoing relationships, which will obviously continue to flourish. We'll also ensure that we continue to focus on areas of strength and also adapt to market conditions to make sure that we're being completely agile and flexible, within a forever changing industry. We're excited about what the future holds, and there's a lot of room to work with you guys. So we're looking forward to the next step.